Hi, my name is Igor, and I invite you to join hundreds of students and take this best-selling, highly rated course where you'll learn as quickly as humanly possible the best ways to deliver amazing results with Microsoft Project and develop valuable skills. In this easy-to-follow and user-friendly course, you'll go click by click towards your mastery of this insanely powerful and hugely popular project management software system. Imagine if you could completely eliminate confusion, frustration, and fear of Microsoft Project and unleash its full power for consistent results. In fact, the goal of this course is for you to learn quickly and easily the best practices, discover the best processes, and adopt the best strategies so that you become hugely successful on all of your important projects, even if you are brand new to the field. When you enroll, you'll follow the exact same process that I've perfected over the years to teach thousands of students like you. And by the way, most of my students believe that this is the best online training that you can buy right now. And I am super confident that when you join, you'll be thrilled with what you discover. And remember that you can buy it now with risk-free, super generous, unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that if at any point during the first 30 days after you enroll and begin to enjoy this training, and later decide that it's not the absolutely best Microsoft Project course that you can buy, I will personally insist that you get a full refund of the purchase price, no questions asked. That's how confident I am that this is the best Microsoft Project training that you can buy, which means there's absolutely no reason for you not to enroll with confidence right now. Simply click on the Buy Now button, sign up, and get instant access to the entire course so you can begin to learn immediately.